Ali Boumaier, Ali Boumaier.
Ouais, Mohamed Ali.
Cette semaine sur le ring, le boxeur américain Mohamed Ali affronte le poids léger de la BBC, Sir Michael Parkinson. On est en octobre 71, les cheveux se portent longs sur l'oreille et les coupes afro ont la cote.
Can I ask you what the problem is, if it is indeed a problem to you, about being regarded as one of the world's most attractive men?
No, I don't pay no attention to it. I don't consider myself no attractive man. People like Tom Jones, you know. He's in that rank, and Elvis Presley. I'm not nothing like that.
I mean, people for years have been saying you're one of the most attractive men in the world.
I know it. I was just...
Avant de devenir un beau gosse sûr de son charme et la star planétaire de la boxe, Mohamed Ali s'appelait Cassius Clay. Il a grandi dans les années 40. L'Amérique était encore en pleine ségrégation raciale.
When was your first recollection as a child of being a second-class citizen, being treated like one?
No, more 16th class. And I always ask my mother, I said, Mother, how come is everything white? I said, why is Jesus white with blonde hair and blue eyes? Why is the Lord's Supper all white men? Angels are white. I said, Mother, when we die, do we go to heaven? She said, naturally we go to heaven. I said, oh, I know. If the white folks was in heaven too, then the black angels were in the kitchen preparing the milk and honey.
Le boxeur a le sens de la formule et le goût du combat. Dans les années 60, il s'oppose à la guerre du Vietnam et lutte pour les droits civiques. En 64, Cassius Clay rejoint la Nation of Islam et se convertit. Il change de nom, d'abord Cassius X, en hommage à son ami Malcolm, puis devient Mohamed Ali.
Wouldn't it make more sense and cause less pain all round in the struggle in this battle if it was integration rather than separatism? I mean, why do you reject integration?
When you say integration, it comes under intermarriage too, right? All
Right,
being together.
right, sure.
Well, listen, no woman on this whole earth, not even a black woman in Muslim countries, can please me and cook for me and socialize and talk to me like my American black woman. No woman, and last is a white woman, can really identify with me and my feelings and the way I act and the way I talk. I'm sad because I want to blot out my race and lose my beautiful identity. Chinese love Chinese. They love the little slanted-eyed, pretty brown-skinned babies. Pakistanis love their culture. Jewish people love their culture. Who want to spot up yourself and kill your race? I want to be with my own. I love my people. That's all. I don't hate nobody.
Ouh, pas facile d'enchaîner après ça. En ces temps d'élection présidentielle américaine, une question Maison-Blanche peut-être?
Would you like to be president?
No.
No?
No, sir. Too dangerous. Like, in other words, here's a ship. People are dancing on the ship. A lot of money's on the ship. A lot of food's on the ship. And I cannot integrate on the ship. Now, all of a sudden, the man tells me, say, come on down, Ali, out of the galley. I want you to come up here and here, have something to drink. What do you want? And giving me number one spot. From the galley to the number one spot. I said, this ship must be sinking. Why is he...
Muhammad Ali, thanks a lot. I really
I have one
enjoyed
more
it.
poem about your show. Two seconds.
All right.
I love your show, and I like your style. But your pay is so cheap, I won't be back for a while.
I hear a car go from drug dealing to BM with the top down.